Alright guys, kembali dengan gua di Shoki Official. Oke guys, kali ini gua bakal mengasih tahu cara mendownload Minecraft versi terbaru. Oke, dulu kan gua udah mengasih tahu cara mendownload Minecraft.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And we'll go.
Kalau kalian mau tahu, kalian langsung juga ini. Oke. Ini prosesnya agak lama, gue stop dulu ya guys. Gue stop dulu ya. Oke guys, ini udah mau selesai. Tinggal 9 lagi. 9 lagi. 100. Oke guys, sudah. Oke, kalau sudah kalian langsung pencet. Oke, lagi. Buka. Wih, konen cuy. Waduh. Tuh guys. Oke. Kenapa ini woi? Guys, nge-lag kali guys. Ya Allah. Lag banget ini.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm
skip.
step
Oke
by
guys,
step.
kalau sudah, nih gue lagi memindai dulu ya. Apa namanya dulu ya? Oke, gue skip lagi. Oke guys, kalau sudah selesai, waduh.
2,000 years later.
Sudah selesai, gue langsung masuk ke aplikasi Minecraft. Oke guys, nih penampilannya beda banget guys, beda banget semuanya, beda alam juga beda semua, pokoknya beda guys. Tapi nggak tahu lagi mau kalian, udah ini.